Hello students, today we are going to discuss the questions asked on the lesson A Messiah for the Abandoned Sikh in MSBT exam. The first question was asked in summer 2019 for 2 marks. State any 3 adjectives to describe the condition of patients in the abandoned ward in Patna. Description of the condition of patients in the abandoned ward in Patna. The adjectives to describe the condition of patients the abandoned ward in Patna are as below. Number first, abandoned. Number second, lawaris. Number third, sick. Number 4, underprivileged. Those 4 adjectives are given for the description of the condition of patients in the abandoned ward in Patna. Abandoned, lawaris, sick and underprivileged. Next question was asked for 4 marks in winter 2018 exam. Justify the statement he in bracket Gurmeet Singh is like God. Gurmeet Singh is like God. Justification. Its answer is Gurmeet Singh is a true Samratian. Someone among the abandoned patients says he is like God. Someone of the patients in the Patna Medical Hospital says Gurmeet Singh is like God. This statement proves itself when we learn about Gurmeet Singh's contribution as a philanthropist. Gurmeet Singh once visited the government hospital ward with poor lady and her skilled son. He was moved by the scene there. At that moment, he decided to do something for the patients of the ward. He then started providing these abandoned patients with food and medicines. He also paid for their expensive tests, scanned even chemotherapy for cancer patients. He and his brother put away 10% of their monthly incomes or monthly earnings in donation box only for the abandoned patients. Gurmeet Singh's entry in the ward always brings a smile on the weary faces of the patients. He plays different roles for them. He inquires about their health as if he is their doctor, being careful for them. He plays the role of the nurses as he provides them with necessary foods and medicines as he is their provider. And most importantly, he plays the role of a king, with affectionately taking their care. He is regular in his help, and after his work he leaves his modest apartment every day for the patients. He had not gone on vacation for last 15 years for them. So one of the patients says Gurmeet Singh is like God. Next question was asked in summer 2018 exam. State and explain any 6 qualities of good Samratian. State and explain any 6 qualities of a good Samratian. Its answer is the word Samratian means a charitable or helpful person. The word Samratian means a charitable or helpful person. In a way, the word itself defines the following qualities of a good Samratian. Number first, philanthropy. A good Samratian always does something good for the welfare of others. Number first quality is given. Philanthropy means a good Samratian always does something good for the welfare of others. Number second, qualities of good Samaritan is selflessness. It means he or she helps others selflessly. They don't think about their trouble or even profit. They don't think about their trouble or even profit. Number first quality is given here, philanthropy. Second, selflessness. And number third, devotion or dedication. Number third quality, devotion or dedication. A good Samaritan is devoted to the work he or she does in spite of odds. They perform their moral responsibilities with dedication. Number fourth quality, consistency. He or she has consistency in the work being done, come what may. They will never compromise on their chosen work for a good cause. Number fifth quality, love and affection. A good Samaritan helps others and works for them out of the love and the affection they feel for them. The work is not done for the name's sake. And last quality is nurture. A good Samaritan nurtures the needy, the underprivileged, just like parents. He or she truly cares for them. There are given 6 qualities. Number first, philanthropy. Number second, selflessness. Number third, devotion or dedication. Number fourth, consistency. Number fifth, love and affection. And last, nurture. Next question was asked in winter 2017 exam for 2 marks was, mention any 2 positive points of Gurmeet Singh's personality. Any 2 positive points of Singh's personality. Its answer is, positive points of Gurmeet Singh's personality are as follow: love and affection for the abandoned patients. Number first, love and affection for the abandoned patients. Number second, dedication towards rendering his services to the patients. Number second, dedication towards rendering his services to the patients. Number third, generous and kind-hearted man in giving them food every day. Number third, generous and kind-hearted man in giving them food every day. Number fourth, regularity in service to the patients. Number fourth, regularity in service to the patients. And number fifth, humble and modest person. Number fifth positive point, humble and modest person. Humble and modest person. There are given 6 positive points of Singh's personality. Number first, love and affection. Number second, dedication. Number third, generous and kind-hearted man. Number fourth, regularity in service. And number fifth, humble and modest person. Next question was asked in winter 2017 exam for 4 marks was, how do you justify that Gurmeet Singh is a good Samaritan? How do you justify that Gurmeet Singh is a good Samaritan? The word Samaritan means a charitable or helpful person. A Samaritan always does something good for the welfare of others selflessly. Considering these qualities, we can see Gurmeet Singh as a good Samaritan. He is Messiah for the abandoned patients. Gurmeet Singh once visited the government hospital ward with poor lady, and her scolded son was moved by the fact that there was no one to treat him. At that moment, he decided to do something for the abandoned patients of the ward. He provides them with food and medicines. He also pays for expensive tests, scan, and even chemotherapy for cancer patients. Gurmeet Singh's entry in the ward always brings a smile on the weary faces of the patients. He plays different roles for them. He inquires about their health as if he is their doctor. being careful for them. He plays the role of the nurse, and most importantly he plays the role of a king for them by affectionately taking their care. Thus he is a good Samratian. Those questions were asked in MSBT exam. Those questions may be in future MSBT exams. So today we stop here. Thank you very much.